Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to send money from India to the UK. Sending money internationally can be a daunting task, but with the right information it can be made easy and convenient. Firstly, you need to choose a reliable money transfer service provider such as a bank or a money transfer company. Some popular options include Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, and online services like Wise and TransferWise. Next, you need to check the exchange rates and fees associated with the transfer. Different providers offer different rates and fees, so it is essential to compare them before making a decision. Once you have chosen a provider, you need to register for an account. This can usually be done online or through a mobile app. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and identification documents. After registering, you can initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account details. You also need to specify the amount you want to send and the currency you want to send it in. The next step is to pay for the transfer. This can be done using a variety of methods such as online banking, debit card, or credit card. After the payment is made, the transfer will be processed and the recipient will receive the money in their bank account. The processing time can vary depending on the provider and the transfer method, but it usually takes a few working days. It is essential to keep the transaction reference number safe, as it may be required to track the status of the transfer. In addition to the above steps, it is also important to ensure that you are complying with the regulations of the Reserve Bank of India and the UK financial authorities. By following these steps, you can send money from India to the UK safely and efficiently. It is always a good idea to read reviews and do research before choosing a money transfer service provider to ensure you are getting the best deal. In conclusion, sending money from India to the UK is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By choosing a reliable provider, comparing rates and fees, and following the necessary steps, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free transaction.